So I'll go to the prompt generator and just ask the agent to give me a prompt website into my brand, because you already have the brand settings, and brand and include so location. I think that's the location. Contact, then WhatsApp. You can also have the same number for the CTS. For CTS, these are the call to action buttons. Wherever we have a call to, so we can still have same number and see what we'll get. So it will pick the rest of the information from the brand settings. So we go. She should give us two variations of the prompt, and now we'll pick. We'll simply pick one. So we have the first one: business name, description, pages, home, about, shop. Okay, not bad. You see the second one, collections, blog. I think we can. I think let's go with. We can go with the first one and use it in the. Just from here, we just need to navigate directly to the website agent. So I'll use the prompt in the website agent and just click go and let the agent cook. So imagine now with as an agency with many requests coming in for websites or other clients for websites, you can really definitely serve them easily and quickly and give them quality websites. This just imagine getting a site in less than 5 minutes and you have it live hosted. So you can imagine how many sites you can be able to do in a day or even half a day. So it's really really makes everything easy, and also again of course affordable, because when you involve web design, when you're involving web designers or developers, it really takes a lot of resources again. And that's again also you want to be in control of what also what the client wants, and it's easy to just have that information and just give it to the chat, to the agents, and get the exact output like we'll be able to see with this one. So let's give it a few moments, 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll be able to see the final outcome. So I'm going to be shipping some coffee. Wait for it to cook. Go a maximum of 5 minutes, and from there we'll be able to actually publish the site, see it live, also see how to make updates or changes to the site too. We have the canvas option. The chat, by default, the chat is always ready to use. Also have the canvas option where, in case you just want to edit a very specific easy section like an image or even text, be able to see that.
Oh, ni mabroga. Oh, nimebona ni nyumba ya mtu ndio niende nicheze nipeane 35. Waone ni kama aina kama ni mabroga yeah.
So we are almost there. So we're almost there. Yeah, so here we go. So you can see what we've generated in those few moments. We'll be able to, let me just, so from here you can actually publish the site and we'll be able to see it live. So let me just hit publish, that we can get the link. So so there's the link is here. We can view the site. I can also, let me just drop the link also in the chat for also you to be able to see it. So then still we can go through it together from this tab. You can see it's picked everything as defined, the logo we generated, the colors, very nicely done. Even the font, I mean the balancing of everything, you can see very nicely done. Okay, these images, of course, always changeable, as we said. Then, of course, unique value proposition here, customer testimonials. Yeah, let's look at the shop page, also, which is very important for such a brand. See, you can see, well done. Even with the pricing from here, you can actually really edit everything and set up your custom brands. I mean, your custom pricing as it fits. Shop via WhatsApp, the text, the visitor to WhatsApp directly. So you can see browse or WhatsApp. It fits very well curated for it. It's a very nice website. So you can imagine how much it would take to just create the team. I mean, just create such a website, even from the idea to even the balancing of all the graphics and all that. It would take, I mean, a lot of people, a lot of resources, a lot of time, and most of the times it ends up as a, I mean, it's a project which never ends. I can assure you, I've been there, so I know it isn't not really easy to actually craft such a site from scratch. So you can rate the site, and so let me just go back to the chat and just to chat. And so I will try to edit one of the images here using the canvas. Actually, we can just edit this one, the one at the hero section here. And so I'll pick, this one is allowing me to just upload. So I'll pick one from my desktop. It should be loading, and then we'll be able to see. I'm not sure whether it's really low. Let me just pick it again. And let me go back to chat. I can actually no, it's not uploading the image. Is it my connection or something? Okay, I can go to a different section, like maybe I can just edit this one instead of that main one. It's taking a bit of moments to upload. You can just give it. Okay. Let me then edit the text from here. Add. Can just add that text there, and then we click done. You can just paste with the text first. Then if I click done and come back here, and then hit publish. Sorry, hit update, and go back to the publish site. On this one here, you'll be able to see that we are actually let me share this tab instead. We've just done the update, the change on this 0 section, as you can see. So the same case with images, with any other page, you just need to actually rather select the section you want to now be able to actually make any change and instantly publish it to the live site. Still, you can also do the changes through the chat. Here, you can just describe anything you want to change. If it's an image you attach, if it's any text, any section, you just tell chat to update, and we'll be able to have your changes done. And usually just to click publish, and the site is also updated, the live section. So for, our custom domain, again, you can really just, if you already have your own custom domain, maybe dripped, like for this one, it can be something like dripped, dripdistrict.com, whatever. Connect your domain, and now your brand is really out there with the custom domain. Of course, another thing which is also important is the SEO bit. You can actually change all the title. When it comes to SEO, of course, a bit of concepts come in, the meta descriptions, the titles for the pages, the feature images. This is not like when you share a link via WhatsApp or any other inbox. That is the image which pops in the link. This is where you set that again. Of course, now meta descriptions again will now, of course, contribute to how your site ranks in Google, wherever. Again, you can also get a sitemap for the site so that you can upload to in things like Google Search Console, just now to enhance the visibility in Google Search. So that's how things are. And I believe it's something which is actually really usable, or rather important for any kind of a setup, individual, as an agency, just turning around the output time. So I think I can pause it at that point so that we can move on to the next one. And then, of course, if you have any questions, of course, you can drop them in the chat. We'll look at them towards the end of the session. So I think, Joseph, you can